Hi friends, welcome to Kiddo Kids. Okay, so today I hope you all had a very wonderful day. Okay, anyway, let's start the show with a caller. Hello.
Hello,
Hello, what's your name?
Akmal.
Akmal, how are you?
I'm fine.
Your best friend had called me,
Who?
on Thursday. I think his name was Sharang.
Yeah.
Yeah, he told me, Akmal told me to call.
Yeah.
So I think he didn't tell you.
No, he didn't.
Okay, maybe he also forgot. We had the 2 days, Friday and Saturday, right?
Yeah.
So he might have forgot, right?
Yes.
Okay, anyway, your best friend had called me.
Yeah.
He told many things.
What?
He told me many things.
What all he told?
Actually, he didn't tell anything about you, don't worry.
No, actually, I just wanted to know because I just missed last week's all episodes.
Okay. Because he just told about his hobbies. He likes, I think he likes art and crafts, he told.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's
Even he sings very well.
but actually he didn't sing a song for me.
Yeah, but he's just a bit shy.
Okay, next time he calls me, I'll make him sing a song.
Yeah.
Okay, anyway, Akmal, how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, you're fine, normal, just right there, right?
Yeah.
Okay, anyway, so how was your school today?
Yeah.
Had fun?
It was okay.
Had fun, or you simply went, came back boring, dull?
I didn't have that much fun because today, like our formative assessments are going on.
Okay, your formative assessments are going on, so it was not that nice, but after the formative assessment, it got nice, right?
Yeah, okay day.
Okay, after the exam also okay only.
Yeah.
Okay, anyway, Akmal, so you told your friend is very good in singing. What about you?
If I start singing, you will run away. That's the big problem.
No, listen to me. See, we had an audition in our class. Okay, it was like it happened actually this year itself. Last year, actually 2014. So it happened. I am there in the school band. So I had to select people for the. I was there in the choir. No, actually not singing. I told now you'll compel me to sing, but not in the singing part. I was in the drums. Okay. I was there for the drums. I'm very, I like drumming. So I was selecting boys for singing from my class. So believe me, I have heard a lot of bad singing.
But still, my singing is totally different. If I sing a higher note, it's not that good if I sing.
Okay. Anyway, no problem. I'm not compelling you more. You can sing. It's your wish if you want to sing.
Yeah, but anything other than that, I will try.
Okay, what other than that? You want to recite a poem?
Actually, I'm not prepared. So next time when I call, I'll recite.
Yeah, okay. I want a very nice poem, a short one, okay?
Fine.
By any of your favorite authors or poets.
Yeah.
So, who's your favorite poet actually?
William Shakespeare.
William Shakespeare. Okay, he wrote many, sonnets, many poems, many things.
Yeah.
Okay, so so I think your favorite poet is William Shakespeare.
Yes.
Yeah, and what about the author?
Author, I have many, but
okay,
yeah,
you're
like,
many. Recently I just read a story of Ruskin Bond. It was like beautiful.
Yeah.
There are many poems also Ruskin Bond. That's very nice.
Yeah, I used to read his poems and some of his stories.
Okay, so can you name anyone?
Ruskin Bond's Meet Rusty.
Meet Rusty. Actually,
Yeah.
I've heard about that, but I've never read it.
Yeah, The Meeting Pool.
The Meeting Pool, I know. I have read that.
Yeah.
That's a very nice story, right?
Yeah.
What about, have you heard about the, Grandma Climbs a Tree?
Yeah, I've heard.
Yeah, that's also a very nice one.
Even we have it in our school.
Okay, anyway, which game do you want to play, Akmal?
What all are there?
I have GK questions, riddle questions, sentence making, dictionary, connection, atlas, spelling, and tongue twister.
This time I choose GK.
I didn't hear you?
GK.
GK, okay. Nowadays our callers are more interested in other games. Now, GK. Okay, so anyway, I'll give you a GK question, okay?
Yeah.
Which is the largest... I didn't hear you?
Ask me easy questions.
Easy question. Okay, maybe easy for you, maybe tough for you. I don't know.
Hmm.
Okay, which is the largest fish on the in the world?
Largest whale shark.
Largest fish. Okay,
Fish, not mammal. Huh?
not mammal. Mammal is the blue whale, right?
Yeah.
So
Nice.
what is the largest fish in the world?
Fish.
Yeah.
One second. Let me think. Any clues?
Clues. Actually, I think you just said the answer now. I think I didn't hear you properly.
I think it is shark. Not shark. I'm not sure. But still, can you give me a clue?
Okay, actually, see, there are two words, and actually, you said the answer before.
Let me think. 1 second, okay?
Okay, the second word of the answer is shark.
Shark.
Yeah, first word is
Is it a mammal or or a this thing?
it's a fish.
It's a fish.
Yeah.
Fine.
Okay, anyway, I'll give you the answer.
Blue shark.
Not blue shark. You said the answer just now, Akmil.
Whale shark.
Yes, whale shark. I was waiting for that.
Okay, thank you.
Because I was like, tell me the word. Still, you didn't tell.
Actually, I thought when I told before, you told something. It's not the correct answer.
Okay, because I didn't hear properly. Anyway, thank you for calling, Akmil.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, that was Akmil who called us. You know, he's one of our usual callers who calls us. You know, I have fun talking to him actually. Okay, anyway, you know, I have a topic for today. We'll be seeing rhymes, we'll be seeing cartoons, many things like that. So it's, busy schedule today. And anyway, today I'll be talking about a freedom fighter. And you all must be wondering which freedom fighter I'm talking about. I'm talking about none other than the Sardar Ajit Singh Sindhu. He was he was one of the most famous, freedom fighters in the. Actually, he was a very, Mahatma Gandhi ji and many people, Bhagat Singh. They were all like, they started the Indian freedom movement only in the 90s. But these were the people like Sardar Ajit Singh, and they were the people who started in the 1850s itself. So these were the people who we actually have to. They were the base of the our Indian freedom movement. Okay, anyway, let's go for a caller now. Hello.
Hello,
Hello. What's your name?
Sachin.
Sachin. Welcome to Kiddo Kids.
Thank you.
Sachin, how are you?
Fine.
I'm in a very good mood today.
Yeah.
What about you?
Okay.
Okay mood.
Yeah.
Okay, anyway, Sachin. So what's up? What's anything special?
Today was my math exam.
Today was your maths exam. How did you do?
Okay.
Okay. So little problem must be there.
There's no problem. It's a skill. Like we have the athlete is 10 marks paper, but for essay 3 and essay 4, they just put 20 marks. Now for essay 1 and essay 2, 10 marks. But now they made 15 for the exam paper and another 5 for skill test.
Okay.
I was confused in skill test. Maybe I'll get only 15 out of 20. I'm so scared.
Okay, so how do you think you did? Did you do, how much do you think you score?
It was easy actually, but one thing, the skill test part is little difficult for me. I think I'll not get 15.
Okay, the skill test was little difficult for you.
Yeah, skill test.
Anyway, best of luck.
Okay, thank you.
So how's your family doing?
Okay,
Everybody's fine?
yeah.
Okay, Sachin. So, after you call me, what are you going to do right now?
Birthday.
Whose birthday?
My cousin's birthday.
Your cousin's birthday. Okay. What's his name?
Nitin.
Nitin. Okay,
Yeah.
anyway, happy birthday, Nitin.
Okay, can I say something? Can you put at the last this program called Peppa Pig?
I didn't hear you.
Peppa Pig one program is there. Can you put at the last?
The cartoon.
Yeah, the cartoon.
Okay, so tomorrow we'll be putting it, okay?
Okay.
Okay, can you just tell me the name of that?
Peppa Pig. But I want to put for my cousin brother.
Okay, Peppa Pig. Okay, I'll be putting that, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So I think it's Nitin's favorite.
Yeah.
Oh, so you want to dedicate that cartoon to your cousin?
Yeah.
Okay, so don't tell him to see the cartoon tomorrow. Tell him to see my show tomorrow, okay?
Actually, he likes Peppa Pig, but he likes more Jelly Jam.
Okay, he likes jelly jam more.
Yeah, so you can put Jelly Jam.
Okay, can you send one of one of Nitin's photo to us?
Okay, I'll send.
Okay, how old is he actually?
He's 8.
He's 8 years old. Okay, so now he's turning 9, I think.
What? No, he's going to be 9 next year.
Okay, so next year is okay. Anyway, again, happy birthday, Nitin. So today itself, can you send it right now?
Okay, I'll send right now.
And as soon as then I'll be today's his birthday, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I can wish him a happy birthday.
Okay.
Or if you can't, if you are unable to send today, you can send it tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay. So anyway, Sachin, so did you give him a present or a gift?
Yeah, give him.
Okay, what did you give him?
A cup. Yeah, I put his name. I put his photo.
Okay. So you put his picture on the cup and gave him.
Yeah.
Okay, so I bet he'll love that.
Yeah, he loved it.
Okay, anyway, Sachin, let's play a game.
Okay.
Okay, anyway, which one you want?
Atlas.
Atlas, your all-time favorite, right?
Yeah.
Okay, anyway, you start, Sachin.
Tamil Nadu.
I didn't hear you.
Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu, okay, you. Uruguay.
Why? Why Yemen?
Yemen, okay, Norway.
Norway. Why?
Again, why for you?
Yeah. Yokohama.
Yokohama, Angola.
Angola. Last one?
Angola, A.
Yeah. Abu Dhabi.
Abu Dhabi, Indonesia.
Indonesia. Australia.
Australia, Azerbaijan.
Last one?
N.
And New York.
New York.
Not New York. New Jersey. Why?
New Jersey, Y. Okay, you want to give me a Y, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Y. Actually, why you use everything actually. Yemen, Yokohama, Yugoslavia.
Alien.
I didn't hear you?
Alien.
Alain. Okay, that's a very nice game.
Okay.
Okay, so Sachin, did you like?
Yeah.
Did you like playing?
When I'm sending the picture, I will send kidokids@ntv.com or info@ntv.
You can send it at kidukids@ntv.com.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay, anyway, thank you for calling, Sachin. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, that was Sachin who called us. He's a very nice one of our callers. He sings very nice songs. He's a karate, brown belt. He has many good abilities. He's a very good artist besides. He sent us many pictures of his. He's very good in calligraphy. He's like, all-rounder he is. Okay, anyway, I was talking about Sardar Ajit Singh. He was born in India, as you know, and I told you he was the base, he was the foundation of the Indian freedom movement because he was the heroes in the 1850 times and all. And also, he was the uncle of Bhagat Singh. So he is Bhagat Singh. You came after him. So Bhagat Singh was also the heroes of like 90s and all. So the like Sardar Ajit Singh. We have many heroes of the 1850s. They were the foundation who held Bhagat Singh, Mahatma Gandhi ji, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, all these people up. So these are the base of the country, and also the freedom of the freedom of India. And I told you he was born in India. He was born into a military family in Punjab. So he was actually, when he was born, his parents were really strict actually. His father and mother were very strict. They they didn't allow him to go play. They didn't allow, because actually I read the biography about him in one of my library books. So I read about him. His parents are really strict like that. Okay, anyway, let's before going into the detail into that, let's go for a caller. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, what's your name?
Minha.
Minha, how are you?
Fine.
Minha, it's been long since you called me.
Yes.
Okay. Minha, so how are you today? How's your family?
They are doing fine.
They're doing fine. Okay. Minha, so, are you planning to sing a song for me?
Okay.
Okay.
I'll start.
Okay, you can start.
I would like to be your monkey and climb the tree high. Something with to burn. I the sky is blue. Something with all day long. Dancing into. I would like to be a monk. Wouldn't you? I would like to be a tiger, prowling just the heat, lying in the sunlight, warm and fast. Hello?
Okay, that was a very nice rhyme.
Thank you.
Okay, Minha, who taught you this rhyme?
My mother taught.
Your mother taught you. Okay, it was a very nice rhyme. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, I was enjoying the rhyme. So your mother, your mother teaches you all your rhymes, right?
A little bit.
Okay, little bit. Anyway, thank you, auntie. So if she's, your mother is watching the show right now.
Yes.
Okay, anyway, thank you, auntie, and hi. So Minha. So did you go to school today?
Yes.
Okay, Minha. Actually, I forgot. Which grade are you in?
2.
You are in second grade. Yes, now I remember. Because I knew we have many colleges. We remember 4th grade, 6th grade, 2nd grade. Some are in 3rd grade, some are in 5th grade. So you are in 2nd grade, right?
Yes.
Okay. Anyway, Minha. So let's play a small game now.
Okay.
Okay. Which one do you want?
A riddle?
A riddle. Okay. So I think that's your favorite one.
Yes.
Okay. So I'll give you an easy one. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So Minha. So what has a neck but what has a neck but no head?
Sweater?
What has a neck but no head?
Sweater?
Sweater.
Yes.
No, actually that is not the answer. Because the sweater is like it's a piece of vest. It'll just end here, right? It doesn't have a neck.
Clue?
A clue, okay. We take this to school every day. Now you must have got half the answer at least, right?
Book?
Not a book. Okay, anyway, I'll give you the answer then.
Okay.
Okay, the answer is a bottle.
Bottle.
Okay, because we take it to school every day and it has a neck, but it just doesn't have a head, right?
Yeah, my school also some children asked me this.
Okay, in your school also some children asked you this question, but you couldn't answer, I think.
Yes.
Okay, anyway, Minha, so anyway, thank you for calling.
You're welcome.
Okay, anyway, Minha, thank you for calling. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, that was Minha who called us. She's one of our usual callers who calls us. She's a very sweet little girl. And anyway, we are talking about Sardar Ajit Singh. Okay, anyway, before going into detail into that, let's go for a, short rhyme now. So, my topic for today was Sardar Ajit Singh. He's a very famous freedom fighter. So, let's go for a short rhyme now. So, stay tuned to Kiddo Kids.